Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a budget planner on Excel. First, open a new Excel workbook and label your columns for income, expenses, and categories. Next, input all your monthly income sources and their corresponding amounts. Then, list out all your fixed expenses like rent and your variable expenses such as groceries. This initial setup creates the foundation for your personalized financial overview. Now let's organize your spending. Create distinct categories for every expense like utilities or entertainment. Use basic Excel formulas such as SUM to automatically calculate totals for each category. It's crucial to regularly update your actual spending data to keep your budget accurate. This step helps you clearly see where your money is going and compare it against your planned amounts. Excel's formulas are powerful tools for your budget. Use the SUM function to quickly calculate your total income and overall expenses. Consider employing IF statements for more advanced conditional rules, like flagging overspending. Data validation ensures consistent category entry, preventing errors. Adding a difference column, showing the variance between budgeted and actual amounts, provides immediate insights. Finally, it's time to analyze and refine your budget. Review your financial plan monthly to ensure accuracy and identify any spending patterns. Look for areas where you can potentially save money, perhaps by reducing discretionary expenses. Remember to adjust your budget categories and amounts as your financial situation evolves. This ongoing process helps you achieve your financial goals effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.